What's up, guys? I hope that you're doing well. My name is Selim Shemi, and for the entire year, I'm doing one YouTube video per day related to social media marketing, to SMMA. So if you have any questions, you can go on my Instagram, and every Friday I'm doing a poll on my story, and you can ask me the question that you have, and I will do a video for you answering your question. All right. So the question of today is, should you start SMMA in 2020? All right. So let's talk about it. All right, should you start SMMA in 2020? So you may have found also other business models like dropshipping, maybe affiliate marketing, maybe a bunch of business models, right? So Amazon FBA, maybe trading as well. And in my opinion, SMMA is really the best business to start when you are a beginner, because you don't need any capital to start. All right, so we're going to check some facts, and I'm going to explain you why I think you should start a social media marketing agency in 2020 and how you can do it. All right, so the short answer, of course, is yes. All right, I love social media marketing agency. If you don't know me, guys, I've tried a lot of business models, all of them. I tried Amazon FBA, I've tried eBay, I've tried drop shipping. I've done drop shipping stores. I've spent money on Facebook ads, didn't work at all. And because I didn't have enough capital, right? And when I started SMMA, I realized that I didn't need capital to start, right? You can start with $0. You can start absolutely free. All you need is a computer, you need a phone, and that's it. You can start your SMMA. You don't even have to know how to do SEO, how to do Facebook ads. You can build a team and work with a person, so that your only job is to sell the service. All right, so you can start even if you're broke, even if you don't have any money. You can start a social media marketing agency. All right, so how to get started? Well, you can start a business, for example, in the US for $100 to $150 to create your LLC. All right, to register your business. It's really important if you want to to get paid, to have a real company. You need a real structure, and an LLC is the right one to start. But you can even spend less. You can start by being a sole proprietor, and you won't have to pay incorporation costs. I don't know those very well in the US because I'm based in France, but in France it's basically the same, absolutely the same thing. So I started as a sole proprietor. All right, in France it's called very small company, and then I've built my company, my real business. But you can spend less money. You don't have to spend that much. Even like honestly $100. Like, just do everything right from the beginning. You will have to put a little bit money, but that's nothing compared to drop shipping, for example, where you need more than 1,000 in capital to start running ads, right? So honestly, most platforms are free nowadays. So Mailchimp is free, Canva is free. Okay, you will need maybe an email address, a G Suite account that cost $5. Your domain. You don't have to do a website. Honestly, the only thing that you should be doing is to cold call. When you don't have any money, you can just do cold calling, and then you can start also sending emails. You can follow up on the emails. There is a lot of tools that cost just $5, and you can send email sequences. So you can start with not very much capital, and that's why I really love SMMA. All right. So most platforms are free, and it's not costing a lot. Like, seriously, even when you will be in an advanced stage, all of the tools should cost you maximum $200. Like, I mean, except if you have ClickFunnels, right? ClickFunnels, it's costing a little bit more. ClickFunnels is costing $100 per month just by itself. But you can use Squarespace. Squarespace is $50 per month to build landing page, and you have a bunch of tools that allows you to build landing pages for even less money. All right, so everything is very cheap, and you can start your social media marketing agency with nothing. All right, that's why I love, you can build a business from scratch. You don't need anything, you don't need anybody to start. So for hiring, you can begin with virtual assistants. So virtual assistant can cost between $3 and $5 an hour, and it will help you to get off the ground. All right, it will help you to start building your agency, and then you can get more expensive hires. For example, you can get media buyers that will run Facebook ads for you as you grow. All right, so as you grow, you will be able to hire more expensive, to get more expensive hires. But even actually, if you make sure your clients pays upfront, all right, that's something that you should always make sure. If your clients pays you upfront, you can already afford a media buyer, so you're the intermediate. All right, so for example, you sign the client, so now you are the client is your responsibility. You need to bring him results, and you have a media buyer that you can now afford because your clients paid you upfront, and now you can he will deliver the services and the result for your client. So again, you can start looking for a media buyer before to actually get a client. You can start to build a team, right? And also why SMMA is so great, why I love social media marketing, is because every single business needs sales and marketing, because it's the lifeblood of any business. This is money, right? And your job is to bring money to the business if you're doing paid traffic, at least. If you can bring, trust me, if you can bring more clients to any business, if you can bring them more clients, more money, you will be good. You will be good forever. Bring them results, and your SMMA will be recession proof. So there is a lot of talks going on that the next recession is very soon. All right, usually it's every decade, and for the moment we're good, right? But it might be in the following years. And how to make sure that your SMMA is recession proof is by bringing results, by bringing more clients to businesses. And if you're the main source of money, of clients acquisition, they won't get rid of you. And also, like, the demand is so high. The demand for social media marketing is crazy. That's why I'm doing those videos. I'm not scared at all. There is no scarcity here. The demand is going crazy. You can get clients from all over the world, and that's the beauty of social media marketing and SMMA. So we need actually more SMMA. That's why I want you to start and grow your own social media marketing agency. And those videos are here to help you. So if you have any questions, you can ask me on my Instagram, and I will make a video for you answering your question. All right. And again, I've made a 1 hour free training, and you can find the link in the description. I'm telling you every steps that you need to start and grow your own SMMA. So I hope that you will like it. Tell me what you think about it on Instagram or in the comments. All right. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow.